Hey guys, standing here in the penthouse unit of 95 West Walnut Park. We actually had to demo our entire roof level up above me and reframe everything up there. So the guys are just wrapping up the roof and the dormer on the 3rd floor. And I'm standing here on the main level of the penthouse that we are super excited to show off for you guys. 1,800 square feet, 3 beds, 2 full baths, and the entire top floor is a whole master suite. All right guys, standing down in here in the basement at 95 West Walnut Park. This is going to be our bedrooms and bathrooms for our 1st floor unit. As you can see kind of up above me and behind me, we have all of our steel installed. This was done about a couple of weeks ago, and since then, our framers have been able to continue rolling along with all of our framing. So it was super important to get our steel install done really smoothly, and that was done virtually flawlessly by our steel crew. So the only thing left to do down in this basement is we ran all of our basement drains, which are now have been run, inspected, and backfilled, and now we just have to clean up and pour our basement slab.